Dream catchers have become increasingly popular over the past few decades, especially among those who enjoy incorporating them into their decor. Many people found that they help create a more soothing and pleasant atmosphere in their bedrooms, and it's not hard to see why. Dream catchers are typically hung from the ceiling or another overhead structure to take full advantage of the airflow around them. It's also important to know that while there is something very mystical about dream catchers, they are not always used as spiritual tools or charms. Many people who do not subscribe to Native American beliefs regarding dreams and the night sky enjoy having a dream catcher on hand for its aesthetic appeal. They can be quite beautiful to look at, and they are often complemented by other pieces of decor in your room. Now let's discuss the spiritual backgrounds of dream catchers. Dream catchers have several different meanings depending on different culture background and spiritual tradition. Some Native American tribes believe that dream catchers protected the sleeper from nightmares, in much the same way as amulets or talismans are supposed to work in other cultures. These were often woven by mothers for their children and made from scared materials that the Native American felt provided spiritual protection and healing properties to the wearer of such dream catchers. In other tribes, they were thought to provide a safe passage through dreams so that the sleeper might experience an easy transition into their next incarnation. The dream catcher represented a spider web in which good dreams were captured and bad dreams were destroyed. Some Native American tribes held the belief that they could not only protect people from nightmares but also capture lost souls so that they might be returned to their proper resting place. Now let's discuss why dream catchers are so popular. Most people who buy dream catchers do so because they are interested in such devices' spiritual and magical applications. They are also popular as school projects for kids, but it's fascinating to consider why they have become so popular in the past 20 years or so. There is a particular element of mystery and enchantment about dream catchers that many other belief systems simply do not possess. There is something exotic about them, and the fact that they don't have to be worn on your person or even kept with you at all times to work makes them seem even more mystical. Now let's find out, do dream catchers work or not? Dream catchers are a rather old and traditional form of sleeping aid, so it's not surprising that there haven't been many studies conducted to verify their efficacy. The concept seems relatively simple and appealing in theory, but whether or not it works will depend on your own personal experience. Still, if you are looking for a way to get better sleep and feel more refreshed when you wake up in the morning, there is no harm in trying out a dream catcher. After all, what do you have to lose except maybe a few bad dreams? I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.